Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Easter Egg Melon in Grow Garden. So during this Easter event, there's a new plant that called Easter Egg Melon, and it will look like this. This one, it uh, it has a really unique look. It's shaped like an egg with a green color like this, green and white color, and so to get this Easter egg melon, first you need to get the seed. You can buy the seed at the Easter event, and the seed will cost around 14,000 Choco Coins. So make sure you have enough the Choco Coins. And after that, just go to your Easter garden and plant it, and then just wait until it grows and just harvest the fruit. And if you want to sell it, it will has a selling price around around 100 coins, 100 Choco Coins. And honestly, I think it's quite worth it. And so yeah, that's how you can unlock and get the Easter egg melon easily during this Easter event. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.